Hey, I'm Alex, and today I want to talk about the difference between interactive and experiential content. Brands have long been talking about the benefits of using interactive content types like quizzes, polls, and calculators over traditional static content types like blog posts and PDF ebooks. They better engage your visitors, they capture important data and insights about your audience, and they convert at a higher rate. So why are we talking about experiential, and how does that differ from interactive? What it boils down to is interactive is a tactic you employ, where experiential is a strategy that guides how your team creates. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, you're just splitting hairs. Interactive, experiential, it's all the same though, right? It's not that simple. You see, with experiential content, it's not just about the end result, the content type. We're also talking about the process by which that content is created. The creative, collaborative process is just as important as the output. Another thing to keep in mind, the goals attached to those different kinds of content. Interactive content tends to be pretty transactional. You're collecting inputs from users, you spit back some sort of output, and you're collecting that data for later use. Textbook transaction. That's not to say that experiential content can't also be that way. You can absolutely create an experience that drives those same actions. But what's different is that with experiential content, there's also a layer of brand activation at play. Where with in-person events, there's a deeper connection being forged between an individual and a brand. Experiential content is doing the same thing, but in a digital space. When marketers take an experiential approach with their content, they're emphasizing the overall brand experience, which isn't the same as user experience, where the focus is on developing a product or page that's easily navigable, loads quickly, and is accessible to the end user. And we're also not just talking about customer experience. Brand experience is any interaction a potential or existing buyer has with your brand, whether that's with your advertising, your content, your website, even your people. Experiential content intentionally builds towards this brand experience. So remember, when trying to differentiate between interactive and experiential content, remember these three concepts. Strategy, not tactics. Activation, not transaction. And brand experience, not user experience. Check out some of the other videos we have and come visit us at Ceros Resources for all things experiential.